Hello everyone, this is Natalie from RecPro. Today we're going to be talking about our wind deflector. It helps with wind drag while driving down the road. And the SKU number for this is RP-SHRKFN. The purpose of this item is it helps with wind drag to increase fuel efficiency and to push the wind away from the RV when going down the road. It's an easy installation. All you need is a clean, dry surface. Just peel the adhesive strip off and stick it right on your RV. The measurements will be listed on the screen for you if you'd like to take a look. It's made out of a black thermoform plastic and it's made right here in the USA. If you would like to know more about the wind deflector, please click the link below. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.